sister Miss Khan from United Kingdom. She said, what if I was praying Fajr Witr? My intention was to pray Witr 3 rak'ahs. And then I heard the Adhan. Can I just make it 1? No. In the emphatic sunan, including Witr, when you intend to pray a certain number of rak'ahs, you do not change it in the middle of the prayer. You could have done that earlier. And to avoid that, all of us, brothers and sisters, we have watches, we have apps, we have alarms, we have adhan, we have clocks, we have calendars and timetable. So we know that Fajr is at 3:35. What time is it now? It's 3:30. I only have 5 minutes. I don't think I can pray 3 rak'ahs and recite the qunut in 5 minutes. So let's just make it 1. And this is what the Prophet ﷺ said in the hadith. When he prescribed the Witr prayer, he said, Salatul Layli masna masna. So when you want to pray at night, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. But if you fear Adhan will be called, or Adhan will appear, فَأَوْتِرْ وَلَوْ بِرَكَعَةٍ. Then pray Witr, even if it is just single rak'ah.